Hi there, got a home equipment video for you today. Today, all we're using is water bottles. So grab some water bottles or some cans out of your cabinet, green beans, corn, whatever you might have, peaches, and let's get started. We're actually gonna start on our backs today with a chest press. So, on your backs, knees bent, arms out at about 45 degrees or so. You don't want them directly out at your sides, you want them in just a little bit. You want to imagine there's a triangle here in your armpit. We're going to push the water bottles up and bring them back down. We're doing 3 sets today, 12 reps of each exercise. Okay, and now we're going to move to a bridge. So you can do these without the water bottles at all. If you just want to do body weight, we're just simply pushing those glutes up. Again, your toes should be off the ground. You should be pushing through your heels for this. Going back down. If you want a little extra resistance, you can add 1 or 2 water bottles to your pelvic area. Be sure to squeeze those glutes at the top. Got 1 more. Push through those heels and back down. Okay, now we're going to remain laying here. Make sure you have enough room overhead. We're going to do an overhead pull. So, important thing about this, if you cannot maintain good form, then drop the weights, do it without weights until you get those muscles strong enough to be able to keep good form. So, you're going to start with your weights directly over you. Then, keeping your arms straight, you're going to touch back and bring them forward. I'm going to have to scooch just a little more and bump in the wall there. So straight arms and pull. You don't have to pull all the way to your knees. You can stop when your arms are directly, your hands, elbows are directly over your shoulders. So if your elbows are bending, and you're like struggling to get them up, drop the weights, do it without weights, and then do it for a few sessions like that, and then try adding the weights again. We're working the muscles in the upper back. Okay, now we're going to move up to our feet. And for this, you'll only need 1 water bottle or can, whichever you have. You want your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. You're going to start holding the water bottle down at your right hip. You're going to keep both arms on it. You're going to hold it like this, and you're going to chop it upwards. Your feet should stay pointed forward. This should just be all rotation in your torso. We're going to do 12 on each side. switch it to that other side. And 12 chops on this side. And that was 12. All right, grab that other water bottle. The last exercise for this first set. Okay, you want your feet directly under your hips. So hips, knees, ankles should all be in alignment. You're gonna have a water bottle in each hand. We're gonna do a narrow squat. So you're just going to push those hips back like you're reaching for a chair behind you, and then stand straight back up. We'll do it from the side so you can see. Push those hips back and straight up. And that was 12. Ready to move on to set 2? Okay, back down to the floor. And again, you can definitely use dumbbells for this if you have dumbbells at home. That is fine. Any sort of resistance will work. Get creative. Just make sure it's safe. Back to that chest press. Okay, now onto those bridges. So again, you might need to bring your feet in just a little closer. The closer you are to your glutes, the more leverage you have. So toes up, heels down, push through those heels, squeeze those glutes. Push those glutes up as high as you can. Okay, and then we have the overhead pull. Make sure you have the different room overhead. Reach back and pull. I guess my music selection today is heavy metal. Got a garbage truck out there banging around. Now we'll make our way back up to standing for those chops. Again, just need one water bottle for this. Start on the right and chop. And last one. Okay, other side. How's everybody doing out there? We're almost done with round 2. Two more. Okay, now for those squats. So again, both water bottles, hips, knees, ankles all in alignment. Sit those hips back and up. Again from the side. Keep that chest up. Okay, ready for round 3? You've got this. Let's finish it out. Okay, so we're starting back at that chest press. Both water bottles. Arms about 45 degrees. And press up. Okay, and back to those bridges. Heels down, toes up. Might need to move your feet a little closer to your glutes. And push those glutes up. Two more. Great, now we'll go back to overhead pull. Make sure you have enough room overhead. And straight back and pull. last one. Okay, we'll make our way back up to standing. Got 2 exercises left. We got this, we're almost there. All right, start down at the right side and chop. Last one on this side. Okay, other side. We're almost done. You guys are doing awesome. Got 2 more. Whew, feeling that in my arms, are you? I'm also feeling it in my core too. But the arms were feeling it first. All right, again, ankles, hips, knees, all in alignment. Just sitting those hips back and back up to standing. This is our last exercise. Got 2 more. Last one. And we're done. You can replay this and do one more round if you like. Otherwise, do a cool down workout or an easy movement to finish this off and enjoy the rest of your day.